What do I do? Am I just like the...
You are here to give me emotional support because I don't do this very often, you know? What is up, you guys? Yes, here. Welcome back to my channel. The day of today, we are in the kitchen. What a time to be alive. I'm gonna be making coffee. Again, what a time to be alive. Literally, who am I? I don't even recognize myself. Everybody on Instagram is like, who is she? And I'm like, I honestly don't even know. I don't recognize myself. I don't know. But anyways, the day of today, we are going to be making our own pumpkin cream cold brew. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that this has been my latest obsession. Not only is it expensive, but it's also very inconvenient trying to make it out to Starbucks 3 times a day when our Starbucks are filled up the butt. Like there's always a line. So the day of today, we are going to be making our own. I did get this recipe from a fellow YouTuber. I actually came across her recipe or somebody talking about her recipe on Twitter. Very random, because I never thought I could make my own pumpkin cold brew, so I didn't even think to look it up. But I found it on Twitter and then I went to go look at it, and look at me making my own cold brew. Who am I? Literally don't even know. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I am going to be leaving Leeshas YouTube videos down below in case you guys wanna check them out, because I'm gonna do like the whole cold brew thing, but it's gonna be very, like, I don't wanna say rushed, but hers is a lot more detailed, in depth, and I feel like she actually knows what she's talking about. That's what we're gonna be doing today. So if you guys are ready, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into it.
What do I do? Am I just like the...
You are here to give me emotional support because I don't do this very often, you know? I like this damn drink so much that I even bought this thing that was on Leeshas' video. It is like a cold brew maker thing. I didn't know what it was, but anyways, and we went out to buy, well, Michael bought it, this big old thing. So
little mason jar.
On her video, this is coffee, but on her video, she goes into detail of like, you do like coarse coffee and the reasons why and stuff.
How you grind the coffee at the store.
Exactly. I didn't even know what those machines were for. I just knew that when I was little, I would walk by and be like, oh, so shady. Who does that? But anyways, she talks about it in depth. So if you guys want to learn how to do all that, like I said, I'm gonna link her video down below. But we are gonna go in with half. Okay.
So what type of coffee? What kind of?
I don't know. Do you remember?
We got the house blend, I believe. Wasn't it?
I don't know. We were at the store. I'll put in a clip here. Oh my god. I used to play with these when I was a kid. Did you ever do that where you would just go and be like, and they would all fall out? Yeah. We don't need that much, huh? And I was so confused. I didn't even know there was that many coffees. Like I said, I'm not a coffee drinker. This is my first real adventure into the coffee world, you guys. Okay, so is she a coffee girl now? Honestly, I don't know. I really like this, but I don't know. All right, so we're gonna go in and we're just gonna do half. Oh my god, see, this is why I don't do stuff in camera. I'm messy. Okay, anyways, so we're gonna do half. Okay, wait, do we even have enough for half? Oh, crap, okay. Oh, that's a little more than half, but you know what, it's fine. Okay, so we have half. Oh my god, it smells so good. Wow, it smells delicious. I love that. Oh my god.
That does smell good.
That smells really good. Am I a coffee person now? Wow. Okay, so you're gonna put it in the jar. There. And then, you guys, a measuring cup? Literally, who am I? I don't recognize myself. You guys, am I a housewife? Am I a housewife because I'm making cold brew? I can't. Okay, so then you're gonna go in here. And you're kind of gonna go like in circles, making sure that you get water all in the coffee, you know? Are you guys seeing the bottom? Okay, and then you're kind of gonna like, kind of go like that, making sure that it's all in there. You know, oh, did I tell you guys this is 3 cups? Sorry, this is my first cooking video. It's not even a cooking video, but this is my first cooking video, so you guys. Okay, so anyways, you're kind of gonna go in like that. And then we're gonna go in and we wanna make sure that we're getting it all the way in the coffee so it seeps all the way through. And then we're gonna go in there and it's gonna sit like that. And last time I made it in this one and it worked a little bit better because this one's a little bit wide. You know what I'm saying?
So we made this last night.
Yeah.
We had this prepared for you guys.
But then I wanted to just give you guys like a basic, you know?
So once we set this up, do we shake around? Do we hold it and do we... Or do we just let it sit in the fridge?
It's just gonna sit, but the thing is that you guys probably want to get a thinner one that goes more, like if you guys watch Leeshas video, you guys are gonna see she did it correctly. But, cause now we have a lot of coffee sitting in like dead air.
Oh, okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So anyways, pretend.
Could you add more water then?
I mean, I guess, cause it is a concentrate.
Yeah, I say you can add a little more water.
Can you assist me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you, love that. I like having an assistant, it's really cool.
Well, don't get used to it.
Well, no, only in the kitchen, babe, when I'm doing videos. Okay, so I think it'll be fine. Okay, and then somebody doesn't know how to make cold brew.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So now, we're just gonna kind of mix it up a little bit, and then we're gonna cover it up. And then we're gonna put it in the fridge. All right, so now we're gonna go in with this right here, which is this, what is it? Pumpkin pie mix. Yes, love that. I'm gonna take a spoonful, and then depending on how much you want or how pumpkin-y you want it to taste. Now we're gonna take some heavy whipping cream. This one right here is from Winco. And then we're going to eyeball it because I don't really know too much about like the measurements and stuff, but then you're just gonna go ahead and go in.
Whip it. Whip it real good. I say you put a little more pumpkin pie mix.
It smells pretty pumpkin-y.
Mmm.
I don't know.
You know what? The texture might be right. You might be.
I mean.
No, you know what?
Do I come to your job and tell you how to do it? Is that how the saying goes?
I don't know. If you don't know what the saying goes, don't say so.
Okay, so you don't want it to be too thick because then it won't.
Give them a close up. Like
fall apart, you know?
So you kind of want that, I guess, that texture, I guess, right? Consistency.
And I mean, it's cooking terms. Consistencies.
As you can see, the original color.
So that's what that.
So it's pretty close.
Okay, so we also got this little like cup from Starbucks just so it could like look the same.
I can't taste it yet, right? Because we're gonna do a taste test.
Yeah, we're gonna do a taste test.
Because I wanted some.
Yeah, no. I mean, you can have a little bit if you want.
No, I'm gonna wait.
Okay. Okay, so I did add a little bit of water because since this is a concentrate, you don't need it to be that strong. I mean, unless you like really want to be strong. But for a coffee starter drinker like myself, we don't want to do all that, you know? Okay, so we're gonna go in here.
So you put about half water, you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
About half water, and then that's what Leeshas said.
So this has been in the fridge for about, what, 15 hours?
Yeah, like 15 hours. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. Do you see that? Yes. Also, you guys, like I said, I'm not a cooking channel. I've actually never done a cooking video on my channel before, I don't believe so. But yeah, so please be patient with me with like angles and stuff because I don't really know. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna go in with some Torani vanilla syrup. And this is just to sweeten it. And we're just gonna go in with a little bit. Or you can go in with a lot depending how sweet you want it. Here, let me mix it up. And then I'm gonna taste it. All right, so now we're just gonna put in the mixture. And like I said, you can tell that the consistency is good because it's not sinking in all the way right away. But you just don't wanna make it too thick to the point that it doesn't even move, you know?
Every last drop.
Yum, doesn't that look good? Okay, and now we're gonna go in with some ground cinnamon. On the Starbucks drink, they actually use ground like pumpkin or something, but we're gonna go in with cinnamon. One of my friends actually replied to my stories and was like, you have to try it with cinnamon, and honestly, it's bomb. Doesn't that look so professional? Wow. Are you ready to taste it? So obviously this one's this is a different color because it's like, it's sunk, you know? So this is what it usually looks like if it's like fresh. But wow, I can't believe I made that. I hope it tastes good.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, I'll try this one, you try that one. And then
Okay, don't tell me, don't give me an expression, nothing.
I'm not poker face. Okay. They don't taste the same because that one tastes better.
I like this one better.
That one tastes better, right?
Yeah, I like this
okay,
one.
I didn't want it to just be me.
It tastes
and
better.
this one also tastes more pumpkin-y, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It has more of a pumpkin flavor. This one just tastes a little bit like sweet. Here, let me see. Like the pumpkin's barely there.
I like this mix
It's
better.
very faint. This is like pumpkin-y.
Yeah. Mmm.
Let me see. I'm gonna taste my masterpiece again. Mmm. And the cinnamon is good.
Yeah.
Wow. Am I gonna cook cold brews for everybody now?
For everybody, you get one. You get one.
And
We all
you get a cold brew, and you get a cold brew, and you get a cold brew. I love that. Oh my god, yes.
Well, there you go. No more long lines at Starbucks.
Mmm.
I'm sure there's so many other recipes that we can mimic
Wow.
here in
You
this
guys,
kitchen.
this is so good. And I did want to let you guys know that this was like what, $3, $4?
Yeah, $3.
$3?
$3.
$3. The coffee was
$6.
$6, I think.
6, 6.
So
3, 3.
what is that? 6, 6, 3, 12.
It's 18. Dang.
$18. So one day, remember I told you guys I went to Starbucks 3 times? Well, it already kind of paid off, but
And I'm sure you can get two of those jugs of cold brew, whatever. I'm sure.
of this of coffee.
Yeah.
So I think it's safe to say that as of now, I will be exploring my coffee options. Okay, yes. I'm still not really a latte person. That's really good.
It's mine.
That's really good.
It's mine.
That's really good. And then me, you know when you were little, when I was little, I used to cut up bananas and then put syrup on them and serve it to everybody in my little teacup sets or whatever. And I used to be like, who else wants bananas? And then everybody was done with the bananas because nobody really wanted bananas with syrup, but since I was offering, like I was a little kid, so I feel like now as an adult, I'm gonna be like, who wants a pumpkin cream cold brew? Because I know how to make them. Do you want one? And then I already had one. And then me, well, do you want another one? Do you guys need to be filled up? Who needs another pumpkin cream cold brew? Because that's all I knew how to make. Bananas with syrup. But anyways, yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Actually, this week is full of pumpkin stuff. It is fall time, and we are actually going to be filming eating pumpkin stuff for 24 hours.
Pumpkin spice, pumpkin anything, right?
Yes, just like pumpkin spice stuff.
Can I eat a whole pumpkin by
You
itself?
can knock yourself out, man. If you want to eat 2 pumpkins, 3 pumpkins in those 24 hours, please. I'm sure they would love to watch that. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. So make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel so you guys don't miss out. That's gonna be fun because they have like pumpkin cereal, pumpkin hella stuff. And now that I know how to make pumpkin cream cold brew, woo, it's a thing. But yeah, let me know if you guys do try out this recipe. I hope you guys try it out and like it and save yourself some bucks because you guys know, I don't know if this would be considered bougie on a budget, but I think if you're having Starbucks every day, that's a little bougie, no?
That's bougie.
That is a little bougie. So this is low-key like bougie on a budget, you know, because we are bougie on a budget. But yeah, love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Also, if you guys want to check out Leeshas video, like I said, we'll leave that linked down below. Also, I have the strainer will be linked down below and everything, and the products in case you guys want to get them on Amazon. But like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys, and we'll talk to you next time.
Peace.